Hi, it's Louise here, and we are continuing on with our Empowered Habits, our Healthy Habits video training series. And we are now going to talk about how I stopped burnout and improved my coaching. Remember, these videos are about me mentoring you. As I'd mentioned, I had a student reach out, oh yeah, it's great for you, way back in the how to stop worrying video. And I thought, I'm going to change this around because this is a journey. It's been a journey for me as well. And every time that I've experienced any type of struggle, any type of challenge, I had to create steps and series and to move past it. And that's how I developed my coaching sessions and my coaching training. It helps me to be a better coach. I can understand what my clients are going through. I never come from that place of, oh, I'm better than you. No, I've been there, done that. And moving through it, I now have that insight. So I want to mentor you because my burnout habit, we're going to talk about that next. It's a habit. And then how did burnout impact my coaching sessions? I'll share some insight. And then my how to stop burnout hacks that improved my coaching skills, as well as the bonus, how to stop burnout, healthy habits download. All right, let's look at how burnout becomes a habit.
Ever since my early days in university, I know that I put myself under a lot of stress, sometimes just to get the cortisol and adrenaline increased, because then it increases blood sugar levels and provides a quick energy boost. That temporary energy boost, the surge in blood sugar and energy helped me tackle immediate tasks, giving a sense of accomplishment and relief. The crash and fatigue, as the effects of cortisol and adrenaline wore off, I experienced a crash, leading to fatigue, irritability, and a need for more energy. And that's where the cycle of overwork. To counteract the fatigue and be productive, I pushed myself to work harder and longer, leading to overwork and burnout.
Yeah, so that image pretty much, both of these images pretty much describe when I was first starting out and actually first starting in my careers. This is how I was. And yeah, you can imagine when clients see this, anyone sees this, what that does. But let's look at how burnout impacted my coaching sessions.
Burnout impaired my coaching skills. During a session, I had decreased focus and attention. I missed important cues, failed to fully understand clients' needs, and provided less effective guidance because I was emotionally detached. After a session, the mental exhaustion from burnout caused me to ruminate on the session, doubting my performance and feeling overwhelmed by the effort required to stay engaged. So, how did I turn this around? Well, let's look at my how to stop burnout hacks that improved my coaching skills.
All right, some simple things that I did to stop burnout and improve my coaching sessions were to schedule breaks. Yes, as simple as that sounds, that is something that just was not in my vocabulary. Breaks. Oh my goodness, I'm going to work 14, 16-hour days. I'll take a break. Are you kidding? Yeah. So just schedule breaks and making sure that you're allowing enough time between coaching sessions. And if you're watching this and you are not a coach in your career, or if you work with people, making sure that they're taking adequate breaks as well. It's very important. And then this is something that legs up on the wall. It changes things. When your legs are up on the wall, you're relaxed, it resets the central nervous system. And anytime that you might be feeling frazzled or maybe during the break that you've scheduled, put your legs up on the wall, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. It is powerful as a central nervous system resetter, and it will bring you to calm. And when I started just being calmer, getting my central nervous system. This has been a process, an ongoing process to just make calm something that feels normal. But my intuitive listening really improved. When I was in coaching sessions after this, I was able to be on a different level with the client, be on a different level anytime I was talking to someone. And my energy changed, how I showed up, and people were responding to me so different. And that's Powerful. That is powerful. All right, stick around. I'm going to show you where to find the How to Stop Burnout Healthy Habits download.
Visit louiseandmaurice.com, locate the free tab in the menu, click on the last title in the drop-down menu called Healthy Habits, locate the video titled How to Stop Burnout, locate PDF document directly below the video titled Healthy Habits to Stop Burnout.pdf.
Remember, there is a past version of you that is so proud of how far you've come. And this is important to always remember when you are a coach, consultant, manager, team lead. People are looking at you as their guide. And although you don't have to be perfect, I talk about this quite often in my coaching training sessions. It's not about being perfect, but it's about being a better version today than you were yesterday or 3 months ago, a year ago, and being able to look back and say, wow, yeah. And I showed you my journal in the How I Quit Drinking Alcohol video, my journal, and just I go and I read that and I'm thinking, wow, that is amazing. I go back, but you think about that version of me and seeing me today, it's wow. And when you can look at yourself in amazement, it helps you show up for clients in the same way. You cannot give to others what you haven't given to yourself. And when I'm training coaches, I see that the people that have a hard time celebrating their own improvements, their own successes, as a coach, have a hard time doing the same thing for their clients. They have a hard time saying, wow, that's amazing. They have a hard time. So you have to be able to give this to yourself in order to do the same for clients. All right, if this video resonated with you, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If anyone else can benefit from it, share it as well. Here's another video that will support you. Click on my image to subscribe if you are not a subscriber so you don't miss any of this valuable training. Again, I am your instructor, Louise Maurice, and I appreciate that you've spent your valuable time with me.